Today we're going to be doing two things, and one of those things, the first thing we're going to do today is that we are going to be picking up some new wheels for my E36 compact. The ones I am looking at are not, of course, they are not mint condition or clean, so they do not look like very good, but they look decent, and I got it for a good price. I think I will get it for a good price, so hopefully it will not have any cracks in it or nothing like that, so it will be so I can use them, and then I will wash them today and get them on the car. But before we mount them on the car, I would also like to do one other thing today, and that is the thing number 2 we're going to do today, and that is actually we'll go and visit my E46 M3 and start it up and take a little look at it, because it's been a long time since it's a long time since I've seriously just seen it. So I want to go to the garage where it's stored for winter, and then just take a look at it, start it up, just hear the engine, and because as you now see also it is very sunny outside today, and that really reminds me about soon it's springtime again, and then I can start driving the M3 and my E36 Cabriolet as well, and I'm really looking forward to that, like a lot. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a good day. Are picked up, as you can see right there. I'll let you guys have a closer look at them pretty soon. They are 7.5 x 17 inch, and as I said, they are replicas, and actually the one tire was actually shattered, so I cannot use that at all. I hope that I could mount them today, but maybe I can, but I just need to find a new tire for that. So I will see what I can find. Maybe I have something in my basement or something, I don't know, but they look decent, not too good, they're all right. I think with a proper and good wash, they will look a lot better. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. But now let's go visit my BMW E46 swapped M3 and just take a look and see how she feels these days, because she's probably very lonely because I haven't been with her in a long time. So it's time for a visit. Woo! Hello, baby girl. It's been a long time. It's been too long. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put on these winter tires before I started. Look at that. Alarm is blinking red. Very good. So that means it has power. But the big question is it out of power? Because I have chosen to actually not disconnect the battery. It opens, very good. Let's see if it starts. These seats are really something else compared to that shitty bucket seat I have in my compact. It is Sparko, so that's nice, but it is actually from 2002. So it's 18 years old, that bucket seat. It's almost older than me. I am getting a little bit sick of the bucket seat, to be honest, but you just gotta go full race car. But now let's see if it starts. Key in the ignition. Oh, whoa. That gearbox is so firm, and 6 speeds as well. Oh. I miss you, my love. And for those of you asking, were I about to sell it? Yes, I were, but I have changed my mind. I want to keep it a little bit, I think. Okay. No, it's actually out of power. Damn it, no. Ah. God damn it. Okay, I will have to bring jumper cables next time I'm here. Or wait, I have jumper cables. Oh yeah, I would just jump it. Okay, so now the mighty E46 actually needs help from the poor, bad conditioned E36. So anyway, now this is the mighty one, and that's the poor one. How good? It started! That mighty S54 engine! Woo! Yeah! Here's my bike as well, by the way. Oh yeah! Look at that. Listen! Ah, that deep sound of an S54 engine. So minutes. The car has been idling for like 10-15 minutes now. Let's hear a little bit of revs. I want to drive this so bad, you have no idea. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. No, not goodbye, but till next time. Good feeling. Very good feeling, actually. But it is time to continue the day with the E34 compact. To continue the day with the E34 compact. Oh yeah, back home, and here we have actually some 225/45 17-inch winter tires. So we will put on those. Here they are, looking very filthy. And as you see, I need to swap over some tires because look at this. Something has happened here. That's why we're gonna swap over the tires. I'm gonna swap over 2 of them while I'm at it. Then hopefully I brought some center hubcaps or whatever it's called. Not hubcaps, center branding, I don't know. I brought some of those. Hopefully they will fit. And then mount it on the car. Like I said in the previous episode, 17 with a welded diff, not a good idea. So hopefully it will work. I don't know, to be honest. Hopefully. Maybe it's a bad idea. I don't know. I want to test them to see how they look. But I may swap over to the 16 tonight if it's... I feel that the car does not like it. I don't know. New tires on 2 of them. So now we have 225/45 in the front and 225/50 17 in the back. Now it's time to give them a proper wash and then mount them on the car. This is how they look right now. We will get them a lot better looking than this. First up is Iron X. It already has effect because these ones are turning a little bit pink. That means it's really working with the dirt. Filthy water. That means these are getting clean. Now, let's spray them with a high pressure washer. I washed them also with a sponge and some kind of a broom or some sorts, but now it is just one thing remaining. That is the BMW emblems, and I hope it fits. Oh yeah, this was just something I found in my basement, and they did fit, so that was nice. Hopefully all of them fit. Oh, maybe this does not. Maybe this is the wrong size. I don't know, it fits. Last one, please. Woo! Oh yeah! I mean, take a look at this. Ah, nice. I like it. It's a very exciting moment, because will this even fit? I don't know. Woo! It sits kind of cool. It actually sits very low. Oh, I like that. Cool. I actually read about these online just now. These are called Style 42s, and these came not with the M3. I was mistaken. These came with the BMW M3 lightweight edition. The cars that Paul Walker had like 5 of or something and just auctioned. So I actually have that LTW wing, and now I got the LTW wheels as well. Really cool. So now I'm going to take it for a ride, and hopefully my axles will not break, because these axles right there are from an E30 actually. All E36s compact have E30 rear end, so no good. Now I'm really excited. I think it looks really cool, but yeah, let's take it out on the road and see how it handles. This is how it looks. But to be honest, I've only driven it like 5 meters, because there is a really strange sound coming from the front. Actually, I thought the rear was going to be a problem, but it's not. It's actually the front. It's touching something. I don't know. I have been looking. I can't see what it's touching, so I don't know. But this is how it looks. I think it looks really, really cool. But sadly, I think I have to swap back to my 16-inch wheels, and that sucks, because I really like the look of these. I've seriously been wanting these wheels for years and years. You have no idea. But I've just been looking for the right set, and by that I mean cheap, because all the ones I've been seeing have been so expensive. So I got this quite cheap. So yeah, I think actually it looks half decent now. It doesn't look too bad. I'm not saying it looks good, but it's not looking too bad either. So yeah, it's not the worst compact that I've seen anymore. But yeah, it looks decent. LTW wing, and now with the wheels, looks really, really good. But sadly, I think I have to drive it back into the shop and put on my 16 again. I do not want to crack anything underneath the car. That would really suck. Looks kind of cool. Wheels are looking good, I think. The wheels are not in the best condition, but they are decent. Like, I mean, this one looks half decent, and actually they are shining a little bit. I could polish them to look even better, but I mean, after just a quick wash, it's pretty good. I like it. I really like it. A lot of you guys have already said to me on Instagram that maybe you want me to put these on the cabriolet, and yes, that is the idea. That's why I bought them. But also, if I get a good price for them, I will maybe sell them. I don't know. Okay, a quick update. I know why the wheels rubbed, and it's actually I am a noob for not knowing or forgetting. I have coilovers on my E36, and I do know that, I just forgot. But remember, when you are mounting coilovers on your E36, you cannot wear or have on the like heaviest original wheels with the highest offsets, because these ones are like 7.5 inch wide, but the offset is 41, like ET41, and that makes it so far in that it actually rubs. Let me show you. It actually rubs right there. You see the edge? It was rubbing here all the way. And you can imagine when it hit that one, yeah, that was what made the noise. So a 5mm spacer or something, that would seriously just be the solution, but I don't have a 5mm spacer right now, so that is why I will put back my 16-inch. So yeah, nothing too crazy, it was just scrubbing, that's it. A rookie mistake by me that I did not think of that, but yeah. Now you know. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like the video if you did, and yeah, help me reach my goal of this year, which is 100,000 subscribers. Yeah, see you later.